Way, Chicago. Just want to let you know, I did a video on this Beyond Burger already. Don't eat this crap, in my opinion. They can't get approval for the high-end FDA that they wanted. Now they're making it in sausages. So they're already moving right along. Went from cheeseburgers to now sausages. And look up the process, how they make this. They're using empty cells, which are most likely human cells, but under secret ingredients, they don't have to tell you that. And so that's for flavoring. You know, whenever you see some natural flavoring, that's a caution, that's a warning. Or don't look at it, you know what I mean? Who cares, right? This is a chemical and biological from scratch, turned into meat. It looks like meat, probably tastes like meat, but it's grown in a lab. You know what? Just eat it. We probably need to thin the herd, you know what I mean? Never mind. Forget this video. Way, Chicago, I'm out.